Hi, my name's William Federico, and I just thought I'd take the opportunity to give this really brief video of my experience having done the training with Diane and Kerry Riley. In March of 2018, I completed their Tantra Teacher training, and I'm really glad I did. It's something I've wanted to do for many, many years. I've known of Diane and Kerry's work for many years, having been involved in this industry now for 26 years myself. And as an NLP trainer, I know that one of the things that is important when learning from anyone is to actually learn and to model from people that are living what they're teaching. And there's not many people around, especially couples that I know of personally, that are competent and living the tantric teachings in a contemporary way. And Kerry and Diane certainly do that. So I highly commend their program. I found it to be one of the best programs I've ever done. Thank you.